All right, Julian, let's talk about su chingada, okay? Don't laugh, don't laugh. Poppers I've had ever. I can't wait to try the sushi. I'm driving and I'm gonna go take some lunch to my girlfriend where she's working at, and I'm eating the jalapeno poppers. That's why I bought them, so I can eat it on the way. But it is the best ones I have ever had. I'm gonna take some lunch to my girlfriend. She works in a hospital, so I'm almost there. And then when I get home, I can chow on my sushi. I ate 6 jalapeno poppers. I can eat them all, but I want her to try 2. The order is 8. Alright, so I just brought lunch to my girlfriend. I wish I could buy for the whole hospital because they deserve it. Now I'm heading home to eat mine. Love you.
Love you.
I wanted to tell you guys, if you live in Phoenix, Arizona, and even if it's Tucson or Northern Arizona, and there's a restaurant that is family owned and the food is out of this world, let me know so I can go there and try it and make a video for my YouTube channel. During this quarantine, I we get sick of home cooked meals. I love to eat out. So instead of going to franchises and eat, let's support the small businesses. This guy is very nice. Everything tastes so fresh. I can't believe I didn't come in here sooner. They've been in business for a year and 3 months, and they are located at 67th Avenue and Thomas Road. So if you live in Phoenix, even if you don't live in Phoenix and you come to Phoenix, you have to come here. It's like a half an hour drive from my house, but it's so worth it. I will come again. Alright, so by the time you watch this last clip, I am done with the vlog. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching.